Hey YouTube, you know guys, I found this rather interesting. When I built the shed, right, we used the D-ring or whatever you call it for the nail gun, right? So it comes in a strip, you guys know what I'm talking about. Well, this here, right, is exactly. Now, I didn't have any left of this size, but it's the same style, you know what I mean? Right? Now, just look at this. So what I did when I built the shed, I put this underneath. I just stuck it in the skirting underneath the siding. Not underneath the siding, but well, it's up on. I'll show you. So it's easier to show you. So right there, right? That's the siding, and it goes in. So I just put it right in there. So it wasn't just sitting, you know what I mean? It wasn't just sitting out in the open, but it was where the snow would drift and stuff. It don't get much rain because the rain don't, go in there, but the snow does during the winter months. If I was to ask you how long do you think this nail was sitting there, you would probably say to me, or at least I would until now, oh, that's probably 10 years old, 15 years old, Let's look at it. Okay. That's 3 years. 3 years it's been just sitting there. Isn't that remarkable? And I mean, wonder if anybody is wondering why you have house wrap. I mean, if you're if you're building anything these days and you're using these nails, yeah, I mean, you better make sure that this don't come in contact with any moisture whatsoever, in my opinion. Right? But I couldn't believe it, guys. I know this may seem stupid, but I just had to show you. I just remembered now that I had it there, and I went and got it. I was curious on what these nails, because I'll tell you why. And you can't compare this to hot dipped. I know that. But did renovations in the house, and this house was built in 1914, right? It's piecemeal, so it was, the main part was built 1915, 14 or something like that, the best that I was told. And then, it was built on every so often. Every time you had 3 or 4 kids, I guess, you needed more room, so you just built on these back in those days. And I used to I took nails out of outside, and they were practically just like the day they were driven in there. And this here, I know it's not hot dipped nails, but I mean, I couldn't believe it. 3 years? Wow. I hope you find it interesting. I certainly did. I certainly did. I did not think it would rust that fast like that. I mean, it must be made out of garbage. Thanks, guys.